Hello everyone, so this is Amir with you today again with the new video. Today I will show you how you can create an email account without phone number and without putting all the details, name and everything. So it's very simple. Let's go to the computer screen without wasting time. If you did not subscribe our channel till now, please subscribe our channel and enjoy the video. Let's go to the computer screen and I will show you how it's very simple. You can make an email account within in 15 seconds without putting all the details. Let's go to the computer screen.
So we came on the computer screen. Now here we will just simply open a Google account. Okay, after opening the Google account, simply what you have to do, that you have to just type mail.tm. Once you will type here, they will open one website which is interface. It's look like this, and once it's open you can see that it's a active website. What you have to do, you have to simply click on the logo and you have to click on the create account. Once you will click on the create account, you can just simply type over here whatever name you want to write here. You want to make a email, you will just type here the name of that. For example, it's John Clark. Okay, once you will type here, you can complete and put it over here, and simply you will just create a password whatever you want to write over here. Once you write the password, you just simply have to click on a create. Once you will click on the create, you can see that after creating of that, this email will be pop up on the top of on the right side. As you can see that our email has been created without putting a name or date of birth or anything. It will be created automatically, and now I will show you, you can use this email for any one of that official account like a Twitter, Facebook or anywhere, and this is an active email. For example, we will just go on Twitter. Once we will open a Twitter, let's click on the login. Okay, after clicking on the login, the Twitter website, official website, will be open, and there I will show you how you can use this email for your any of that social account. And this is the active email. This email you can use to create any one of that account on social media, and simply what you have to do, that you will just sign up on any one of that social media site. Once you will sign up over there, for example, we will go to a Twitter and then we will click on sign up. Once you will click on sign up, it will be showing here on the options. So simply we will click on a sign up with the phone number or email. After clicking on here, you can just copy the email which you have just made within in 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, and we will just paste here instead of phone number, and first of all we will just write down the name by name of which you are going to make account. So simply I have just write over here the email, and here I will just put the date of birth, whatever is your date of birth. Accordingly you will just put it over here. I will just put it that randomly. I will just send it next, and then sign up. Now here it's asking for the verification code. We can see here we have received an email from a Twitter, and it's active email, and it is showing a code. We will just simply copy and paste over there. Hope so you like the video. For more video, please subscribe our channel.